We are into manufacturing of waste tire, waste plastic, waste municipal solid waste, everything recycling machinery. So we fabricate in Hyderabad, and this is the first time we are launching our continuous plant fabricating in Hyderabad for the first time. All machineries we have got different models, which the range starts from 38 lakhs and goes on till 2.5 cr. Batch process and continuous process, we have two different machineries available in Hyderabad, and we supply pan India. The raw material will be the tires, scrap pieces, the cut pieces, the plastic, and the municipal solid waste. The idea behind this launching this machinery is to eradicate the pollution in India. This actually creating big time pollution. You take rubber, you take plastic, which goes into soil and then creates a pollution. We wanted to eradicate. In that eradication itself, we wanted to create a business, and we wanted to share it with all our entrepreneurs who are all interested to set up factories or plants in and around India. And especially in Andhra Pradesh, we wanted to thank the government, everyone who is encouraging and big time entrepreneurs who wanted to set up the factories. And we are having electricity now. There is no issue as on date, and the government is encouraging with subsidy, providing a subsidy for machineries, for land, everything, and the permissions also giving very fast. Coming to the raw material which we insert in the batch process, the time in a day is 16 to 17 hours, whereas in continuous it will goes on for 24 hours. So for every 3 to 4 days, we will have to give a break to the continuous process for 2 or 3 hours. That's enough for us. In the batch process, it's a kind of a manual thing. We need to insert the rubber or tires or plastic, everything. Wherein in continuous process, we need to insert the full tires also. We can insert wherein the crusher will be there, which cuts the raw material into 3 to 6 pieces, and it absorbs everything. And the raw material byproducts which comes out is oil, pyrolysis oil, which we call as furnace oil, and the steel scrap, the steel wire available in the tire, and the gas which we reuse to process the same batch, and then the carbon black, which we call it as rubber powder. So the advantage for the entrepreneurs who are taking machinery from us is we buy back the byproducts. Also, we supply raw material in a random basis to our entrepreneurs, wherein they should not feel the scarcity of raw material. That's the reason we are encouraging our entrepreneurs that we will buy back the products for a given agreement time. That's 2 years or 4 years or 5 years, depends on the entrepreneur for us.